What the fuck? They arrested this doctor for exposing the dark secrets of tinnitus industry of USA. Please watch.
As an audiologist for over 12 years, and what I'm about to say might scare you a little. If you've had that constant ringing in your ears, that high-pitched buzz that never stops, it's not just harmless noise. Recent studies show tinnitus isn't really an ear problem. It's a brain connection issue. When your neural circuits start to weaken, your brain starts producing those phantom sounds. And over time, it can even lead to memory loss and anxiety. That's why thousands of Americans are turning to ashwagandha, that supports healthy hearing and strengthens those fragile brain-to-ear connections used by Asians tribals over the last 2 centuries. So I recommend a small company. Quietum Plus, it's FDA approved. My clients say their ringing faded, their focus returned, and they finally enjoyed silence again, something they hadn't felt in years.